Here is how to change Apple ID without losing data. So first of all, what we can do is go to settings, then tap on your Apple ID over here at the top, and of course scroll down a little bit, just tap on sign out, enter your current password, and then you should keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. You should just enable, you can't see now in my screen this specific option, but in your specific order, when you enter your password, then tap on done, you will see a bunch of different data, and next to any of data you just tap on this toggle to enable all these data on your iPhone. And when you log into another Apple ID, you save this as all data on your new account.